Manufacturing cost calculation. To calculate the manufacturing cost of a mechanical part, the following key components are considered. 1. Raw material cost. This is the cost of the materials, metals, plastics, etc. required to produce the part. It's calculated by multiplying material quantity, e.g. weight or volume needed, by the material price per unit, like per kg or per liter. And 2. Labor cost. Labor costs are the wages for workers involved in manufacturing. It's calculated by multiplying labor rate, hourly wage, by sampan time spent, hours to produce one unit. 3. Machine operation cost. These costs include machine usage, energy, maintenance, depreciation. It's calculated by multiplying machine rate, cost per hour to operate the machine, by machine time, hours used to make one unit. 4. Overhead costs. Overhead covers indirect costs like factory rent, utilities, and administrative expenses. These are often applied as a fixed cost per unit or a percentage of direct costs, material and labor. 5. Other final costs. These include packaging, shipping, and quality control (SOC). These are typically fixed or calculated per unit produced. Total manufacturing cost. To find the total manufacturing cost, sum all components. Text, total cost. Sondand sart text, raw material, plus tar text, labor, plus tar text, machine operation, plus tar text, overhead, plus tar text, other costs. This gives the total expense to produce one unit of the product.